purchased this dresser. I removed the old one that was here already. I'm gonna try do it myself, and if I need help, then I can call somebody to come help me. But this is how it came in the mail. I got it off of Amazon, and I'll start unboxing it now. Let's see. I've done this before with IKEA, some stuff. I can do this. Here is everything. How it is. I'll start taking them apart right now. The instruction manual. Look at that there. I think these are the nuts that I need. The bolts and the nuts. And what have you. Thing like this. Let's get to work. To start, okay, so this is the instruction. I will start with they are labeled. See, this says K, so I will start with the K and the F and the blah blah blah. So right now I'm assembling how I will need them. Ta-da-da. First step done. Anyway, oh my goodness, this is gonna be a very little dresser though. You know, it's one of those things you see online, and then it comes and it's not as big as you thought it would be. But let me continue. Let me keep going and see when it's done what I'll have. All right, so first step, second step done. Let's continue. It can't be all on camera all this while. It will take too long, so I'm gonna be doing cut and join. So what I need for the next steps, I mean these things are labeled. So this is, I need number 8, and these ones are F, and the screws. So let's put them together. Okay, next step done. I think it comes in pairs. I've done this part, maybe left or right part. I'll do the next other one. Okay, whew. Step 4 is done. That's step 4. Let's go to step 5. What do I need? I need number 2 and H. Let's go. So I got number 2 right here. Alright, let's get to work. For the nose and the bolts, I need the C. So I need bolts for this C. Progress. How far we've done. Okay, let's go on. The next step involves this one. The next step involves this, the board. Let's go. See what we have now. Let's see it's all coming together. Can't wait to see what they would look like by the time I complete it. See, that's it. Okay, next step. For the next step, I'm excited. I'm having fun with this. For the next step, I need number 5, and this number 5. There is a label here, right here. It says number 5. So let's put them together. Let's go. Actually, I need the number 5. Number 5 is this, and the number 4 that I assembled earlier. So let's follow the instruction and complete this. Oh my god, this took a while to get here though. At some point I needed a hand because it came to this. Man, this is too small for, you know, it's kind of small. It's like this now. See? Like that. Like that. But it's not done yet. Let me continue. So this is it. You can now see it's taking shape, where the drawers will go. For the next part, oh my back, I'm bending down so much, my back hurts. Okay, for the next part, I need this. And I'll look at the diagram and I'll figure out where it goes. Can you see? Like this. Now I'm gonna do the drawers. This will be for the drawers. Let's see. Almost done. I'm tired already. You don't know how long this is taking me. I keep posting the video, so it's not too long, but it's taking me too long. I'm tired already. Okay, I'll try to assemble the drawers and then put in, and then you will see the final result. Oh my god. Oh Lord. I mean, this is really small though. It's really small, what I ordered and what I got. I still have to assemble the rest of them, but this is what it looks like. You know, this the drawer. I do the rest of them, and I have me another dresser to replace my old one, even though this is much smaller. Oh Lordy.